Hi beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. Look at my hair right now. It is dry, dull and screaming for moisture. But guess what? On today's video, I am going to show you how I hydrate my dry hair using only 2 products you already have at home, and the results will shock you. So if you're interested, keep on watching.
Romeo was roaming the garden. Saturday was spent in a park.
First thing is to section my hair. Sectioning my hair before I moisturize my hair is very helpful. If you have not been working in section, if you don't used to section your hair whenever you want to moisturize your hair, you are doing a whole lot of mistake. Try to section your hair and you'll be 100% sure that all parts of your hair is fully hydrated and moisturized. Whether your hair is in protected hairstyle or not protected hairstyle, working in section will help you a whole lot. So try it and you see a great change on your moisture routine. My first product is plain water. Water is the key of hydration. You cannot apply any other product while your hair is dry without you applying water first on top of your hair before you follow up with other products. If your hair is dry, brittle, dull and screaming for moisture, don't apply any other products. Please apply water first before you follow up with other products. If you apply like oil, leave-in condition, hair butter, guys, you are just causing build-up on top of your hair. Your hair is not moisturized at all. It's only water can give you that good hydration. Open up for you to apply other of your moisture products, then your hair is fully moisturized. Okay, don't apply other products on top of your dry hair. You are not moisturizing your hair, rather you are causing build-up on top of your hair. Do you see that only this water alone, my hair is coming back to life? Guys, water is the main key of moisture. I choose to use plain water in this recipe, so please, if you have your herbal tea spray, please use your herbal tea spray. It will do more good on your hair. Okay, and also my plain water I use, I also heat it up a little bit to be a little bit warm so that my hair cuticles can be open and collect the moisture. Okay, so if you are using your herbal tea, do the same thing. It will help the herbal tea to work more perfectly well. Okay, my second product is my homemade butter. Guys, using this homemade butter with this plain water to moisturize my hair is a whole of game changer. Only this product will give you that super moisturize, hydrate, keep your hair moisturized for 4 days, 5 days, 1 week, depend on how you protect your hair. With this simple routine, no more dry hair, no more brittle hair, no more dull hair. This routine will help you a lot. You don't need to break the bank before you can have healthy moisture routine or before you can grow your hair. This moisture routine can also help you to grow your hair. But if you don't have homemade butter, you have only store bottle leave-in condition, you can as well make use of it, but it will require you to use oil to see in the moisture. Please pay close attention. If you are using store bottle leave-in condition, make sure that you follow up with oil. Do not apply water and the leave-in condition only. Please follow up with your oil, unless you add it glycerin. Glycerin can help to replace of oil. I hope you're understanding me. please make sure you pay close attention so that you will give your hair very good hydration and moisturize your hair desire, so that your hair will not be drying, because when your hair is always dry, it will lead to brittle hair and breaking off your hair. Your hair will be breaking necessary. So give yourself very good moisturize, and you will never ever experience dry hair, brittle hair, damaged hair, or moisture loss. Only this product can give you that magic hair growth and give you that standard moisture routine. Okay, just try to use it, and please, whenever you are sleeping, make sure you wear satin bonnet. It will help this moisture to last longer on your hair. Okay, don't sleep without satin bonnet or satin pillowcase. It's very, very important. It's not only locking in moisture, it also helps to less breakage, okay, on your hair. So as you can see now, I'm just massaging my hair properly so that this product can penetrate deeply on my hair, so that my hair can be fully moisturized and hydrates. Okay, just very simple but very, very effectively. Just use this routine. You don't need to break the bank before you can have that good moisture routine. Only these two products can give you that best result you ever pray of, can give you that best moisture routine you ever pray of. But please, like as I said before, if you are using store bottle leave-in condition, follow up with your oil to see in the moisture. Only that store bottle leave-in condition cannot give you the good moisturize you are looking for. Why I use only this butter and I got this good result? Because this butter contains a lot of things, and also it contains oil, shea butter, many herbs that made this butter more effectively and more potent. Okay, so if you are using only store bottle products leave-in condition, it will not give you the same results with this my homemade butter. Okay, so for you to get the same result, you need to follow up with your oil. Okay, any of your hair growth oil, and you're good to go. So let me know if this video is very helpful to you. Have you used these two products before to moisturize your hair? I would like to know your result. If you have not tried it, please also feel free to try it and you see great results. Okay, so if you have not subscribed up to this point, please join this beautiful family. Okay, click on that subscribe, and once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all, so that YouTube notify you whenever I upload amazing videos like this. Okay, and also if you have not liked this video up to this point, please help me to click on that like button. It helps the growth of the channel, and also it motivates me a lot to bring out more good content for you guys. Lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they get the good news on today's video, to know how to use these simple two products to grow their hair and keep their hair super hydrated and moisturized. Please, after doing that, make sure you tuck your hair away. It's very, very important. Okay, don't moisturize your hair and leave your hair to be flying away. Unless you want to go out, you can style your, but once you come back, always tuck your hair away. And also tucking the ends of your hair in will also prevent split end. Okay, so guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.